This is why you need slicers in Excel. Standard filters are good, but slicers are great. Standard filters in Excel get the job done, but they can be a bit clunky. Imagine trying to filter vehicle type across country and sold units with just standard filters. It's like fishing with a spoon. Now enter slicers. Here's how it's done. First off, let's remove the current filters. Next, press Ctrl+T to create a table. Optionally, choose a color for the table to see the slicer's effects clearly. Then click on Insert Slicer. Select vehicle type to slice the data on. You will see the standard look of the slicer controls. In the slicer menu, choose Number of columns equals 4. Now resize the controls to fit your needs. Position the control over the columns for ease of access. Slicers give you a visual and interactive way to filter your data. You just click on the buttons to slice your data the way you want. Want to see all the vehicles sold in Canada? Click. How about the number of units sold for electrics? Click. It's that simple. Slicers not only speed up your workflow, but they also make your data easier to understand. No more endless scrolling or multiple steps. Unlock smarter filtering with slicers and make your Excel life a breeze. So next time you're in Excel, give slicers a try. You'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Thanks for watching. Catch you at the next one.